Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I am sharing a scarf movement activity to go with a cute little song that I wrote to the tune of I'm a Little Teapot, and it's called I'm a Little Leaf. In this video I will share the song with you, I will sing it, I'll show the hand actions, and I will show you the super simple scarf movement you can use with your kiddos right after watching this video. Thanks for watching this video today. Let's take a second and subscribe to the channel. All the links to the music and other resources that you can use with this song, including free ones, are in the description. For this scarf activity, I thought it would be fun to hold the scarf with one hand, but in the middle of the scarf to be the leaf. I've got several fall scarf activities and each one of them have different movements so that if you use all of them, they're not really going to repeat each other. So I just thought that that's important for, coordination and eye-hand movement versus just big movements like this. So this one we're going to hold in the middle and this is going to be our leaf. I'm a little leaf scarf movement. I'm a little leaf up in the tree. Watch me flutter in the breeze. Cross the body this way, that way, up and down. Now I'm falling to the ground and I'm going to drop my scarf down to the ground. I pick it up. If they can, have them switch hands. Oh. I'm a little leaf up in the tree. Watch me flutter in the breeze. This way, that way, up and down. Now I'm falling to the ground. Here's how it looks with the music.
I'm a little leaf up in the tree. Watch me flutter in the breeze. This way, that way, up and down. Now I'm falling to the ground. I'm a little leaf up in the tree. Watch me flutter in the breeze. This way, that way, up and down. Now I'm falling to the ground.
Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it. Take a second and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to check the links in the description. You'll find everything you need there. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.
Be sure to watch these fun fall activities for your classes tomorrow.
Sing